cyclist inside the stalls has settled down now. Start his orders. They break away from the barrier with a level line out by all the 8 contenders. And Dorothy on the outside takes the charge early, leads by about 3 parts in front of the stablemate Dalois. Another half a length close on the outside is Vijay's Dynamite as they race down towards the 2000-meter marker. They followed then by Ashwa Ashoka, Secret Art, Eurozone. Racing next is Charming Beauty, and Al-Sadr is last. Crossing the 2000-meter marker now, and Vijay's Dynamite extend the lead by about 8 lengths in front of Dorotio in pursuit. Another 5 to 6 lengths behind Dalois, followed by Ashwa Ashoka, Secret Art. Then comes Eurozone, followed by Al-Sadr, and last is Charming Beauty. And they are racing down towards the mile marker now, and it's Vijay's Dynamite leads by about 3 lengths in front of Dorotio. These two have broken away by about 6 to 7 lengths in front of Dalois, followed by Ashwa Ashoka. Racing next, Secret Art 2 lengths behind. Another length and a half behind is Eurozone on the outside of Al-Sadr. Another 2 away is Charming Beauty. With Vijay's Dynamite, after taking a breather, once again has started to pick up momentum. Extends now by 3 to the good of Dorotio. Another 3 to 4 lengths behind Dalois, followed by Ashwa Ashoka. Then comes Secret Art. Eurozone racing next, followed by Al-Sadr. Another length and a half behind is Charming Beauty. Crossing the 1000-meter marker now, and Vijay's Dynamite leading by about 2.5 lengths in front of Dalois. Another 5 lengths behind is Dalois racing third as Dorotio is into a clear second. Another length and a half behind is Ashwa Ashoka, followed by Secret Art. Eurozone now being joined on the outside by Al-Sadr. Another 3 away, Charming Beauty. As they continue the journey towards the turn now, and it's Vijay's Dynamite on a start to finish bet by about 3 lengths in front of Dorotio. Dalois 2 lengths behind, followed by Eurozone and Al-Sadr together. A length and a half behind is Secret Art, close to the fence. Ashwa Ashoka relegated to second last. Last is Charming Beauty. Vijay's Dynamite by about 2.5 lengths in front of Dorotio, always in pursuit. Another 3 lengths behind on the outside is Dalois, Eurozone, Secret Art, followed by Al-Sadr. Inside the last furlong now, Vijay's Dynamite by about a length and a half in front of Dorotio, trying to bridge the gap, followed by Dalois also picking up momentum on the outside, and Dorotio tackles Vijay's Dynamite and goes surging clear. Dorotio to the wire has won it by 3 parts to the good of stablemate Dalois. They followed then by Vijay's Dynamite, Secret Art, Al-Sadr, Eurozone, Ashwa Ashoka, and Charming Beauty finished last.